Go.
Okay. I'd like to thank Doc Sprocket for nominating me, even though it's kind of a dick move, but okay, ready for these.
It's for the ALS thing, or did
It's
you do
for the ALS nominations. And again, I'd like to thank Doc Sprocket. Yeah.
The ice. Yeah, it's just nothing. Okay, you might want to do it.
Okay, ready. Oh, fuck, that's cool. I'd like to nominate. Oh, fuck, that's cool. I'd like to nominate Richard Miller and Lonnie Papa Kicker.